Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a lime cilantro dressing. This dressing is oil-free, and I got this recipe from Nina Girl. She's got a YouTube channel and she's got some great oil-free recipes, so I will link all her information down below. But this dressing would be great on rice. You could put it in a salad or on tacos, and it's so quick and easy. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my bullet today. If you have an immersion blender, you can use that as well. And we're just going to throw all the ingredients in here. So the first thing we're going to do is, I've got a clove of garlic. I'm going to do the juice of a couple limes. And if you don't have one of these little juicers, you need to get it. It's makes everything so convenient. Should be about a quarter cup of juice, give or take. We're also going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt. And again, if you are salt-free, don't add the salt. Super simple. Quarter cup of water and 2/3 cups of cannellini beans. So this is going to make it nice and creamy without adding a bunch of fat. And then we've got about 3/4 cup of fresh cilantro. And then the last thing is we're going to add a little teeny sliver of a jalapeno, because we want it to be, I'm going to add like that much, just one little kick, but you don't want it to be powering hot. So, oh, and I also need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You could use agave. I'm just using maple syrup. I like it better. So 1 tablespoon. And that will kind of balance out the acidity from the limes. All right, so let's put this on and let it mix. Just pour this in the bowl here. Look at that color, beautiful. All right, we're gonna give that a taste. So I just made a little taco with some beans, some lettuce, tomato, a little avocado, and we're gonna drizzle this dressing on here. Give it a taste. Looks really good. The color is gorgeous. All right, here we go. It's a little sweet, it's a little tangy. A little kick from that jalapeno, just a little bit. It is perfect. This would be so good on a salad. Amazing. And how easy was that? No oil, very little salt, and you could make it no salt if you'd like. So please give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, thank you.